Let's eat with Grogu. For the breakfast. Easter Sunday breakfast. We have vegetables, fruits, bread, cereals. There's plain rice, fried rice, scrambled eggs, pancake, pancit canton, hot dog, and pininyahang manok. This is new. Let's see what we will get, okay? What did we get, Grogu? What did we get, everyone? We have pancakes, hot dog, egg, fruits, and toast. Let's eat. Easter Grogu hunting. Look for me